Cases have come down in recent days. One major city is actually strengthening some of their pandemic precautions. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is joining us live right now. He is in the Elm City tonight with more on the steps that are being taken. Matt?
Well, Mark, whether or not the state legislature extends the governor's school mask mandate, students and staff here in the Elm City will still have to mask up. And soon, city workers here in New Haven will also be required to have their booster shot as well.
We're in a much better place than we were even a week ago with Omicron.
But New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker is still being cautious.
We're not in the clear, right? The cases are going down, but we still are seeing a significant number of cases.
And the city's health director is asking folks to do their part.
Be vigilant, continue to follow mitigation strategies, and if you experience any symptoms, to make sure you get tested and stay home.
In fact, New Haven is keeping a number of COVID precautions in place, starting with still requiring a school mask mandate, whether or not the state legislature re-ups the governor's executive order next month.
If that does not occur, the city of New Haven's current mask mandate already covers the schools, because it covers all public indoor spaces, and we would count the schools under that.
In addition to continuing to require school staffers to be vaccinated or test weekly, the Elm City says following the CDC's guidance, city employees will now also need to get boosted.
Soon to come, that interpretation of up to date on their vaccination would include boosters for most folks, unless people have very recently gotten their first 2 shots.
Of New Haven's 14,000 city workers, we're told 81% are vaccinated, but it's not sure how many are boosted, since up until now, they weren't required to provide that information to the city. New Haven expects the percentage to be lower, and those who are not will need to get a test each week. The mayor says the policy starts this Friday.
Employees have 2 weeks to upload their booster information to the city's online portal that exists already for vaccines. Then the health department will have another 2 weeks to evaluate and confirm those submissions.
Again, New Haven's new booster policy for city employees officially goes into effect this Friday, and then those workers will have to be in compliance either with the boost or the weekly test by early March. We're live at the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.